Imagine waking up to a life where your bank account grows while you sleep, where your ideas turn into empires, and where a single post can change your future forever. This isn't a dream. It's the reality for millions who've tapped into the power of social media. Welcome to Success Stories. Facebook has made more people fortunes. Join now, a journey into how ordinary people are building extraordinary wealth using one platform, Facebook. Buckle up because we're diving into the digital gold rush that's transforming lives in 2025 and beyond. Facebook, now part of Meta, isn't just a place to share memes or reconnect with old friends. With over 3 billion monthly active users, it's the world's largest social media platform, a virtual marketplace where dreams meet opportunity. From small-town creators to global influencers, people are leveraging Facebook to create seven-figure incomes, and you can too. Let's explore how this platform has become a wealth-building powerhouse and why now is the perfect time to join the revolution. Meet Sarah, a single mom from Ohio who turned her passion for fitness into a multi-million-dollar empire. In 2020, Sarah started posting workout tips in a Facebook group she created. With zero marketing budget, she used Facebook's free tools, groups, pages, and live videos to share her journey. Her authentic content resonated, and within a year, her group grew to 50,000 members. Today, Sarah's online fitness courses and coaching programs generate over $2 million annually, all built on Facebook's platform. Her secret? Consistency, engagement, and tapping into Facebook's massive audience. Why does Facebook work so well for building wealth? It's all about reach and engagement. Facebook's algorithm rewards content that sparks conversation, likes, comments, and shares. Every post is a chance to connect with billions of users worldwide. Whether you're selling digital products, promoting affiliate links, or building a personal brand, Facebook's tools make it easy to reach your audience. From targeted ads to organic growth strategies, this platform is a one-stop shop for turning ideas into income. Let's talk icons. Kylie Jenner built her cosmetics empire. Kylie Cosmetics, using Instagram and Facebook, amassing over 200 million followers. Her strategic posts and targeted ads on Facebook drove billions in sales, making her one of the youngest billionaires ever. Then, there's Gary Vaynerchuk, who used Facebook to scale his wine business from $3 million to $60 million in just a few years. These titans show what's possible, but you don't need fame to succeed. Everyday people are using the same tools to create life-changing wealth. So, how can you make a fortune on Facebook? It starts with strategy. First, identify your niche, whether it's fitness, finance, or fashion. Create a Facebook page or group to build a community around your passion. Post consistently with high-value content, tutorials, behind-the-scenes stories, or actionable tips. Use Facebook Live to connect in real time, boosting engagement and trust. Then, monetize your audience with digital products, online courses, or affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless, and the platform is free to start. In 2022, social media platforms generated nearly $11 billion in ad revenue from U.S. users alone, with Facebook leading the pack. By 2025, the global social media market is projected to hit $833 billion. Why? Because businesses and creators are capitalizing on Facebook's unparalleled reach. With tools like Facebook ads and shops, you can target specific audiences with laser precision, turning clicks into cash. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or digital downloads, Facebook's e-commerce features make it easier than ever to scale. Take Jamal, a small business owner from Atlanta. He started selling custom candles on Facebook Marketplace in 2021. A single viral post in a local group led to 500 orders overnight. Jamal used Facebook ads to retarget interested customers, scaling his business to $500,000 in revenue by 2024. Stories like Jamal's prove that you don't need a big budget or a fancy degree, just a smartphone and a strategy. Facebook levels the playing field for everyone. Facebook's constant innovation keeps it ahead of the curve. Features like Reels and Stories let you create short, engaging content that rivals TikTok and Instagram. Marketplace connects you directly with local buyers, while groups foster loyal communities. And with Meta's push into AI-driven ads and analytics, you can optimize your content for maximum impact. This is why Facebook remains evergreen, a platform that evolves with the times, ensuring your success never goes out of style. The beauty of Facebook is its accessibility. You don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing expert. Start with what you know, share your story, and engage with your audience. Use tools like Creator Studio to schedule posts and analyze performance. Experiment with Facebook ads to amplify your reach. The key is action. Every post, every comment, every share brings you closer to your fortune. And with billions of users, your next customer is just a click away. The digital wealth revolution is here, and Facebook is at its heart. From influencers to entrepreneurs, millions are building empires on this platform. They're not special. They're just people who took the first step. You could be next. Imagine the freedom of a seven-figure income, the ability to work from anywhere, and the joy of turning your passion into profit. It's not a fantasy. It's a blueprint you can follow. Ready to join the ranks of Facebook's success stories? Don't wait. Start today. Create your page, join a group, or launch a shop. The tools are free, the opportunities are endless, and the time is now. Subscribe to our channel for weekly tips on building your online empire. Share this video with anyone ready to transform their life. And click the links in the description to order Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0, your step-by-step guide to a seven-figure income. Plus, explore our exclusive products to supercharge your journey to financial freedom. Join the revolution, and let's build your fortune together.